Have you ever wondered why it feels like your body is so good at storing fat, even when you swear you're just eating a little extra roti or bread? Well, the answer lies with a tiny but powerful hormone, insulin. Today, let's break down how insulin actually helps your body turn extra food into stored fat, step by step. First, when you eat a meal rich in carbohydrates, your blood sugar rises. That's when insulin steps in. Its first job? To help your body's tissues soak up and use glucose for energy. But here's the twist. When your cells are busy using all that glucose, they stop burning fat for fuel. Insulin, in effect, becomes a fat sparer. But insulin's role doesn't stop there. It's also a master at turning those extra carbs into fat, especially when you eat more than your body needs right away. Here's how it works. All the extra glucose heads to your liver. Once your liver's glycogen tank is full, think of it as your liver's own sugar storage closet. Any leftover glucose gets funneled down a new path fat synthesis. Inside the liver, glucose is broken down into pyruvate, then transformed into a molecule called acetyl-CoA. This is the building block your body uses to make fatty acids. Most of these new fatty acids are bundled up into triglycerides, the technical name for the fat your body likes to store. These triglycerides get shipped out from the liver into your bloodstream. Here's where insulin works its magic again. It helps release an enzyme in your fat tissue's capillaries called lipoprotein lipase. This enzyme breaks down those triglycerides so they can slip into your fat cells, where they're pieced back together and stored. And there's more. Insulin isn't just about building fat. It's also about keeping it locked away. It blocks an enzyme called hormone-sensitive lipase, which would otherwise break down stored fat and release it into your blood. At the same time, insulin keeps pumping glucose into your fat cells, letting them make even more triglycerides for storage. But without insulin, this whole process gets jammed. Your body can't store fat efficiently, even if there's plenty floating around. So next time you think about that second helping of dessert, remember, insulin's always ready to stash away the extra, just in case. It's a key part of how our bodies manage energy, but sometimes it's almost a little too good at its job.